The binding energy per nucleon of lithium and helium nuclei are 5.6 mega electrovolt and 7.06 mega electrovolt respectively. In the nuclear reaction, in this reaction, the value of Q, that means energy released in this particular reaction, is how much we need to find here. Okay. Then the binding energy of helium, that is equal to 4 into 7.06, which is nothing but 28.24 mega electrovolts. And the binding energy of the lithium is then we can find this one as 7 into 5.6, which is equal to 39.2 mega electrovolts. Then the given nuclear reaction, we can write this one as lithium plus hydrogen atom will gives the helium plus energy, then 39.2, which is given as 28.24 into 2, then Q is equal to 2 into 28.24 minus 39.20. We get the answer 28, 2 times is 56.48. 56.48 minus 39.20, we get the answer 17.28 mega electrovolts. So this we can see in the option number D, that is 17.3. Option D is our right answer.